Hi, this is Wen Guo from Wen Guo Real Estate Group. Today I'm showcasing 740 San Felipe Avenue in San Bruno, a beautiful house with convenient open layout and modern update, a place you would love to call it home. It features an open living dining space, a tastefully updated kitchen. Both bathrooms were very nicely remodeled too. Cherries on top, a huge bonus attic space for office or playroom. And this property also completed with a large laundry and two-car garage in the basement. Exquisite interior with numerous custom details. Walkable to downtown, great school and public transportations, and great feng shui. Come fall in love with this beauty. 您好，欢迎和我一起参观 San Bruno 的740 San Felipe Avenue。精致实用的3房2卫，厨房、洗手间装修升级，还有额外的阁樓空間、超大地下車庫洗衣房。風水靚，交通便利，行街食飯又方便，一齊過嚟睇下啦！ Thank you so much for viewing with us. What a great property! If you have any questions or would like to take a look at the property, please call us or our team. 多謝參觀，隨時跟我們聯繫，有問題我們會非常樂意跟你解答，隨時喺度等緊你㗎。Thank you.